I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, a holiday, the market's a little bit slow, but soybeans were firm. They did make a new recent high, but sellers came in and started to take some profit, actually slipped the market a little bit below unchanged from Friday. The market's bouncing around a little bit, but it's still holding relatively firm. We have to take a look at the idea that Brazil's new customer in China is going so well that they don't have enough beans for crushing, and maybe the more crushing production really goes over to Argentina. That's going to make the U.S. Soybeans more attractive and maybe give us an opportunity to start to export some of our beans to kind of move it along before the big harvest coming in. With the rain happening across the country, it really has slowed harvest quite a bit, and there is still call for more rain ahead. So soybeans and corn are having a little bit of a difficult time. That being said, the market is still holding steady. We're working on just a small rally right now, but overall we are in with prices in soybeans that we haven't seen literally in like 10 years. So we're still having a difficult time, but there is some positive on the horizon. Corn was a little bit lower today. These big number estimates that are coming for the WASDE report at the end of the week make it really difficult for the market to move really off this support level or where we are. Hopefully we can continue to keep the demand going, and demand is actually relatively strong for corn, but it has to be a little bit more to kind of get these prices off the ground. I think those numbers are kind of baked in. Wheat has slipped a lot. I think the Russian wheat is cheapest that it is in the world, and it's really increased their exports, and so their output is so big that it's making it very difficult for U.S. prices to really get any kind of lift at all. Our $5 is the benchmark for that the December wheat contract here in Chicago, and hopefully that will hold and keep the market here, but we still are kind of teetering on our lows right now, so it makes it a little bit difficult to keep this thing moving. We'll see what happens once the financials are back into play tomorrow. I think we'll have a lot more activity, a little positioning before the report coming in at the end of the week. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.